This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Judy Casso. This home is huge. Over 2,100 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, big kitchen with island and nice pantry, plenty of storage in the oversized laundry room, living room, family room with fireplace, master bedroom that has ample room for an office, large master bath with 2 sinks and soaking tub and separate shower and walk-in closet. Large deck off the back sliding door, fenced backyard in storage buildings. Concrete double carport that also allows for handicap accessibility to the back door. The lot is approximately 2/3 of an acre, room to play and entertain. Make your appointment today, easy to show. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Casso at 801-824-8166.